Ladies and gentlemen, this one is the watermelon passion. Are you passionate? Do you love watermelon? Well, you can bring those two together, watermelon and passion. So we start off with some ice cubes in our blender, come behind up with some watermelon chunks, those are Sheena's little hands. Then we follow it up with some vodka. Shout out to Sheena. Okay, follow it up with some vodka. Then some creme de banana. Creme de banana. A little bit of pineapple juice. Yes, sir. Then come behind it with some lemon lime soda. Pour, 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 pour. Beautiful. Some grenadine, just to get the color right. And now we blend that bad boy into a nice festive treat. So we put a little grenadine in the bottom, okay? And then we pour in our mix. Now remember, it already got grenadine in it, so you don't necessarily need to do the double grenadine, but it don't hurt, because it's cute. Little mint leaves to show the growth of our watermelon plants. Okay, as always, drink responsibly.